In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Instagram account to personal from professional. This is really useful if you no longer need business or creator tools, or if you just want a simpler, more private Instagram experience again. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the desktop version of Instagram, and you can follow along on your own account. First, open your browser and go to the Instagram website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to change. Once you're logged in, you should land on your Instagram home dashboard. This is the main feed where you see posts from accounts you follow, along with the side menu on the left. Now, look at the left-hand column of the screen. Toward the bottom of that menu, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This will open a small pop-up menu with additional options related to your account and settings. From that pop-up menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage everything from your profile details to privacy, notifications, and professional tools. Give the page a second to load if it doesn't appear instantly. Once you're in the settings area, look for an option called Business Tools and Controls. This is the section Instagram uses for professional and business-related features. Click on Business Tools and Controls to open it. Here, you'll typically see options connected to ads, branded content, and other professional features associated with your account. Inside Business Tools and Controls, you should see an option that says Switch to Personal Account. This is the key setting we need. Click on Switch to Personal Account. Before you move on, just be aware that switching to a personal account may remove access to certain insights, professional tools, and some promotional options. Your existing posts and followers will stay, but the analytics and business features will change. After you click it, Instagram will usually ask you to confirm your choice. A confirmation message will pop up, again labeled Switch to Personal Account. This is Instagram's way of making sure you really want to make the change. To complete the process, click on Switch to Personal Account to confirm. Once you've done that, your account will be converted back to a personal profile. You can now continue using Instagram without the extra professional features, just like a regular personal account.